What's up, guys? Let's go back here. Let's do a little burnout. Warm up tire a little bit. I think. Ooh. Okay. Anyways, back here, doing a quick little errand. This is just gonna be a short little vlog today. Wow, is it windy today? Oh my word. Anyways, I just got some stuff going on this weekend. I'm actually just running an errand right now. It's super cold out. Whee! I like doing that. Next week, I will have a bike reveal video for you. I'm not going to say what it is yet. Still not going to say what it is. But, I will have a bike reveal. There just hasn't been the greatest. I would have filmed the bike review this weekend, but the weather just... Yesterday it rained all day, so when I got home early, I couldn't do it then. Today it's cold, and I've got a lot of cleanup to do around the house, and it's just... I don't make excuses, but, I mean, they're legit reasons, so... I mean, it's like 50 degrees out, and the sun's not out, so... It's cold. I put my leather jacket on today, as you can, maybe you can see. I actually can't wait to do this bike reveal video, because it's going to be awesome. You better stop. Come on, people. Ooh. And we're gonna go right in front. Oh. Well, Dollar General didn't have what I needed. I can't believe they didn't have friggin' starting fluid. So I'm gonna try this in the gas station here. Hopefully they have some. If not, I'm gonna have to go into town. Okay, slow down, it's only a 30. Well, they got it. I don't like it. Thank you. I like those little kids. It always makes you fun when you drive by and see little kids and they want what you have. It's like, yay! Get into motorcycles. Work real hard, kids. I like it when motorcyclists make people happy. They make me happy. Happy fun time. And now we'll go back. I didn't get out there high enough. I will get it one of these days. Anyways, I got my starting fluid. The other thing is, I'm probably gonna end up having to buy a transmission for my Chevy Tracker that I have. Because the whoa! I just hit a bird. Whoa! I just hit a bird. Sorry, bird. There's no blood on me, is there? Well, that's a good place to insert the... I'm just kidding. Put a new transmission tracker because the transmission in my truck's going out. And it's cheaper just to buy a used automatic transmission for my tracker. While that way I can have it to drive and pull trailers and go to Ohio with. Coming up in July. There we go. There's a wheelie. Oh, another bird. I'm like getting attacked by birds today. So I'm gonna end up pulling a trailer. Because I want to bring something back. Because I want to at least take the FA when it's done. So I can ride around the swap meet and pits and stuff. And if I come back, if I buy something there, I'm pretty much screwed. So, unless I do, so. Anyways, I'm gonna do one more wheelie around this next corner and I'll end the vlog. So, thanks guys. I hope you liked it. Press that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.